Whenever people ask me, how do you keep your cat in such pristine condition and running so well? I tell them it's not a secret, it's a Chapman set. Modern cats come with a variety of different fasteners. They're not like the old ones. I just loosened all these fasteners from this cat, and let's see. She has Phillips, she has square head, she's got star or Torx, and even these funky little socket flathead screws. And the nice thing about Chapman tools is that they come with a variety of ways to reach the fasteners, even in tight places. So if you buy a Chapman Master Set, you're getting Phillips, square head, star or Torx, the socket adapter, and even, and most importantly, cats have a lot of hex screws. Here's one right here. So you get standard and metric hex bits as well. So that's really all you need to maintain a cat is a Chapman set and no sense of personal space.